Kawasaki Motors Japan has announced the 2025 Meguro K3 model, which is based on the W800 and features special equipment. Apart from the graphics on the fuel tank, the model follows the same design as the previous model. This year marks the 100th anniversary of the founding of Meguro Manufacturing, and the latest model, the Meguro K3, has received its first design update. The fuel tank design is the same as the color scheme of the W230-based Meguro S1, and the launch date is September 1, 2024. The engine and body specifications are based on the W800, with 19-inch front wheels and 18-inch rear wheels. The vehicle weighs 227 kilograms, 1 kilogram more than the W800. The seat height is 790 millimeters, the same as the W800, but the overall width is 925 millimeters. The handlebar is a wide type that is pulled far forward, giving the impression of a lordly riding like in the past. Since its first appearance in 2021, the design has remained unchanged until the 2024 model year. It is a Kawasaki Care model that offers monthly inspections as well as free routine inspections and oil changes, including oil filters for 3 years, and is equipped as standard with ABS, heated grips, center stand, EDC 2.0 mounting unit, and helmet lock. The body color is based on dark black wood, and the front fender, front fork outer tube, rear suspension cover, handlebar, pillion grip, headlight body, headlight holder, and taillight bracket are painted in glossy black. In addition, the stainless steel meter ring is treated with a black oxide coating to emphasize the metal texture, and the fuel tank is finished in a black mirror finish. The contrast between the black paint and the chrome plating creates a calm color that is unique to Meguro. The wheel rims are anodized silver, giving a light impression. Additionally, the Meguro logo is engraved on the speedometer panel and side cover, and the bevel gear cover that characterizes the air-cooled vertical twin engine features a single red accent to highlight the uniqueness of the Meguro K3.